Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your nickname in the Toobit application using your smartphone. So let's get started. First of all, launch open the Toobit app on your smartphone and log in. Once you're logged into your account with your credentials, go to the top left corner and tap on the human icon. Right after you do that, you'll end up in this page where you'll need to tap on your current nickname at the top, tap on the little arrow right next to your name, and this will open up the account information page. Now tap on nickname and enter a new nickname you want to change to. Once done, click on the tick mark at the bottom right and click save, and you have successfully changed your nickname on Toobit. When you first create a new account on Toobit, you'll be provided with a default nickname. You can change it like this in order to make it your own. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.